Morning, welcome back to the class of standard 3rd, subject math. So let's continue the chapter number 5, shapes and designs. So in the previous video we had done this straight edges and curved edges. So the next now activity time. So take a rectangular sheet of paper, count its corner. Okay, so count its corner 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 corners. Then now fold one of its corner, you can see like this. Then how many corners does it have now? So let's count. See, 1, 2, 3, this 4, 5 and 6. So 6 corners. Then how many corners will you get by folding 2 corners? So this, if we will fold 2 corners, then how many corners will you get? Let's see. We will fold 2 corners, then how many corners will you get by the folding? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 corners will you get. Then 3 corners. If we will fold 3 corners, then how many corners will you get? Let's see. Then if we will fold 3 corners, so let's count how many corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. So 10 corners will get. Then if we will fold 4 corners, so let's see. So let's count how many corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 corners. Then next, can you fold this paper in such a way that it has only 3 corners? Yes, you can fold, and you are allowed only 2 folds. What shape will you get? Let's see. You can see this paper. So here allow only 2 folds. Let's see. This is the first folds. Then this is the second fold, so it will look like this. So here it has how many corners? 1, 2 and 3 corners. And which shape? This is the triangle shape. So you can see what shape will you get. So here triangle shape. Then repeat the activity with a square sheet of paper. So here you have to repeat this activity with a square sheet paper. And here which paper? Rectangular sheet paper was there. So this is your homework. You have to do this activity with a square sheet paper. The next, can you fold all the corners of the square sheet in such a way that the number of corners remain unchanged? So this is your homework. You can use a square sheet paper and you have to fold, and then that number of corners remain unchanged. The next, look at the following table and tick the names of things that have corners. Also count the number of edges and corners in each of them. So here you can see this table. Name of thing, whether it has corner, yes or no. Then number of edges, the number of corners you have to write. First one, die, then ball, eraser, egg and sheet of paper. Whether it has corners. If it has corners, then yes. If it has no corners, then no. So first one is die. It has corner, yes. Then number of edges. So how many numbers? The number of corners, 8. Let's see number of edges in die. So in die, total number of faces is 6. So let's see the edges in die. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 here and 4 back side. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Then 9, 10, 11 or 12 this side. So total edges are 12. So here total number of edges are 12. The number of corners, see 1, 2, 3 and 4 front side and 4 back side. So total 8 corners. So number of corners 8. The next one is ball. Whether it has corner, yes or no. See this ball. It has corner? No, it has no corners. So here you can write in your textbook no. Then number of edges dash, number of corners dash. Eraser, whether it has corners? Yes, it has corners. Now number of edges, let's see. So number of edges, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 back side. So 4 plus 4, 8. Then 9, 10, 11 and one side here. So total 12 will come. Total number of edges. So here write number of edges 12. And how many corners? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here 7 and this side also 1. So 8 corners. So you can write here number of corners 8. Then egg. So whether it has corner, yes or no? No, it has no corners. The number of edges dash, number of corners also no, because it has curved edges. So no corners. The next, sheet of paper. It has corner? Yes, of course it has corners. The number of edges, let's see. See, number of edges 1, 2, 3 and 4. And number of corners 1, here 2, then 3 and 4. So 4 edges and 4 corners. So sheet of paper, it has corner, yes. Number of edges 4 and number of corners also 4. The next one is, in the following figures, tick those which have corners. So here we have to tick those figures which have corners. And then do this figure have curved line? That means which figures we have tick. So in that figures have curved line. So let's see. First we will tick those figures which have corners. So you can see this figure, this. Then you can see this figure also have corners. Here no corners. Then this figure you can see these 3 corners. So tick this figure. Then here no corners. Here also no corners. Then here you can see this corner. So tick these figures. So you can tick these figures in your textbook which have corners. The next one is, see, do this figure have corner? That means this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 figures have curved line. See this one, this curved line is there? Yes. So this figure have curved line. In this figure have any curved line? No, only corners is there. Then in this figure have curved line? You can see, yes, 3 curved line. So tick these figures. Then this one, here have any curved line? No, because here is corner. So here 2 figures have curved line which have corners. So you can tick these figures in your textbook. Then using only straight line, that means straight line, can you draw a figure which has no corners? No, we cannot draw that any figures which have no corners using the straight line. So here answer will come no. So in your fair book, no need to write anything. In your textbook, you have to write here number of edges and number of corners, and this in your textbook you have to take which have corners and which figures have curved line. So this you have to take in only textbook, okay, not in the fair book. Thank you.